I can't get these memories out of my mind, and some kind of madness has started to evolve. I tried so hard to let you go, but some kind of madness was taking control. Yeah. Now I have finally seen the light, and I have finally realized what you mean. Madness.